Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Fiat 500 tail light. First, gather your tools, including a 10 mm socket or wrench, a screwdriver, and your new replacement bulb. Always make sure your vehicle is turned off and cool to the touch before you begin any work. You'll find two main screws holding the tail light assembly in place, usually accessible from the outside. Now, use your 10 mm socket or wrench to carefully remove the two retaining bolts. Once those are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight away from the car. Avoid twisting, as this can damage the paint or mounting pins. Next, locate the electrical connector on the back of the assembly. Press the small plastic tab and carefully pull to disconnect it. With the assembly free, you'll likely need to remove a back weather plate to access the bulbs. This usually involves 4 Torx T20 screws. Once the plate is off, identify the faulty bulb. Gently push the old bulb in and twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it. Insert your new bulb, push it in, and twist clockwise to lock it securely into place. To reassemble, first reattach the back plate, securing any screws you removed. Then, reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly into place. Reinsert and snug down the two 10 mm retaining screws, but don't over-tighten them. Finally, test your new bulb to ensure it's working correctly. Before you go, remember to check the description below for the link to that amazing Oala water bottle, plus other fantastic deals we've found just for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.